Well, we got a treat last night. It snowed, which is super rare for this area. And it's pretty comical because that's about the extent of the snow, maybe 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch tops here. And most of the city shut down early last night and remained closed this morning. We just don't have the equipment to deal with snow in this region. But I was waiting for the sun to come out this morning to see if I could maybe capture some images with birds or animals in the snow, since it's such a rare feature in an image around here. But there's barely any snow on the ground left. The sun's doing some work on it, even though it's 20 degrees out here. But anyways, we're gonna make the loop and maybe we'll find some shade pockets where there's some more snow and see if we can't capture something. I'll tell you what's a game changer. Trying these new gloves on for when I go up to Wyoming this winter. And my fingers get frozen when I'm operating the camera or carrying it around. But they have a built-in power bank that you can turn on. Heats up. So, doing a little test in the field today with these guys. See how they help out. It's like 24, 25 degrees right now. Pretty cool. We got a warbler and a woodpecker very close to each other, just kind of hanging out. Oh wow, there's a hawk on the power line. Let's see if we can see. This power line. Sometimes just stand still for a minute. Nature's gonna come to you. This warbler and this woodpecker are just kind of hanging out together. And make our way down the trail. Whew. Fingers are getting cold. Chilly, chilly, chilly. Woodpecker, warbler, hawk. A lot of bird activity. I figured that as soon as the sun came out, they were gonna get pretty active. Trying to warm up. Fingertips get so cold. And like I said, on that metal, finger to metal, it's 20 degrees outside. You know, my goal really was to try to capture something with snow. And I just don't think that that's gonna happen today. Snow from the trees are already gone. Still quite a bit of snow here on the ground. I wonder if we're going to see that hawk on the way back. Got a whitetail down here in this little ravine. Don't see any snow around her though. It's locked on to me. But she had a cold night. documented. It's a lot quieter over here today. We're almost to the outer loop. Are you? Got some more axes over here on this side of the trail. We're gonna go pretty close. I'm already scared. And they're gone. Like I said, you gotta see them before they see you. There's a little baby we photographed the other day. Sounds like the herd's moving across this dry creek bed. Looks like there's a little whitetail spike hanging out with them too. Oh, here's some more whitetail. 3, 4 more whitetail. The whitetail, they'll approach you. They want to come figure out what you are. They got a pretty good little distance away and then they come walking right back. There's a buck on the trail behind me. Staring right at me. More and more activity starting to happen as it gets warmer. Sad thing is our light's going to get worse and worse. I think it's another one of those warblers. They got a yellow spot on the back of their tail, white tail feathers in the back, and some white or yellow spots on their shoulders, sometimes on their chest. But it's hard to tell until they fly, especially when they winter here. They're not as bright and colorful as they are in the springtime. I think I was recording. We're photographing a mockingbird. And I was saying I feel like they follow me around out here sometimes. They're very curious. Want to come see what I'm doing. There's a hawk, like right in front of me. He's just staring at me. We're gonna come around this trail and see if we can't sit up here. Might try to see if we can see him on here. Right at the bottom of that branch. He's so backlit though. It's terrible. But there's a little shade on him and we got a cloud coming. She's on the branch. It's moving around. His head's just perfectly still. Just watching for anything. Right now his eyes are straight down on the ground. We're gonna see, like we did in episode 0, if we can't make our way past her and then look back. So we have some more light. Gonna give her a little more distance before we turn and shoot. We're gonna need to go up a little higher. She must see something in that bushes right below her. Just keeping a strong eye on it. That must be the same hawk we saw on the power line earlier. We've had some pretty close encounters with her. It seems like she may be that same hawk. But I think we're real respectful of her. Not staring at her, staying right underneath her. And she's letting me take my photos and my videos. Get some guys here in the low brush. Oh, they move so fast. Just got a little bit of trail left ahead. We're about to round the last corner of the trail here. Not the winter wonderland that I thought I was going to come out and photograph in, but I had no idea, until I got out here. Still got to see some cool birds today, cool hawk. But anyways, always good to start the day off with the walk, a little nature walk. And we'll see if we'll be able to turn this one into an episode. Overall, gloves helped a lot. The tips of my fingers were burning for a while there in the beginning, heating up and cooling off. But yeah, anyways, I think the gloves were a win. Good try. Dropped the Osmo twice today. Can't tell if it's crooked or not. I think it's okay. And yeah, we've got some good stuff. So we'll see you next time.